Do these 4 steps and he will regret losing you. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value women secret, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Sunday, and in between I usually upload some shorts. And just before, I will share with you ladies those 4 steps to take so he will regret losing you. Don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you behaving as a high value or a low value woman, which I will drop down in the video description box below. I have a new gift for you to download. It's called Love That Lasts, and I'll drop a link on where to get it in my video description box below as well. And if you didn't buy it yet, I highly recommend you ladies to get my book on Amazon, which is called Devoted Relationships, if you would love to learn to become a woman of high value from your core. So perhaps he has broken up with you, or you have broken up with him, or things just didn't work out, yet you have some crippling thoughts in your mind thinking, I really wish he would regret losing me. What could I do about that? And ladies, this video is not necessarily for you to get a guy back. However, it would be the healthiest way to get him back interested in you again. But you can also use these steps just to walk away from that relationship that didn't work out with full dignity, full self-respect, full self-value, and your head held high. For if you would like to feel this way and also make him regret in losing you, check out my step number 1. And it is, do not seek revenge. I know if a guy has broken up with you, depending on your relationship, whether it has been toxic or not, do not seek revenge. A lot of people, when we are hurt, we want to hurt a person back. So we try to badmouth them by gossiping about them. We try to maybe flirt with their friends. Some girls and guys even try to sleep with their friends to hurt them, or we have one night stands and publicize those one night stands just to make sure that their ex would find out about them so he or she would feel hurt. Ladies, do not do that. Not only that it's a toxic behavior, but by behaving this way you will also reduce your own value and worth in his eyes. And if he is a high value man, you will just confirm for him that he has made the right decision in breaking up with you. Because all of these behaviors that I just mentioned, it shows that you're hurt, it shows that you're very immature, it shows that you're very insecure, and that you really low value as a person. Therefore, at the end of the day, he will feel relieved by breaking up with you. Now, keep it in mind, I'm talking here about high value men that know the difference of what is a healthy woman and what is a toxic woman. I'm not talking here about immature guys or guys that are stuck in Peter Pan land who usually behave toxic themselves after the breakup. However, even if you feel like you dated a guy even a bit on a toxic side, by not seeking revenge, you will show him that you're taking the high road and his respect for you will only increase. Number 2 step is do not stalk him. Ladies, if you guys broken up, stop watching his stories. Stop watching his stories on Instagram, stop watching his stories on Facebook. Stop watching his TikToks, liking his posts or commenting on them. Do not show up in the places where you know that he usually goes. Do not drive past his house stalking him. Is he alone after 11 p.m. or not? Do not start knocking on his door, apologizing, etc. Ladies, this is all as I call low value behavior, and it just shows that you're not ready to let a person go. Ladies, when somebody breaks up with you, the quicker you show that you're ready to let that person go, the quicker you come across as a challenge and the quicker a guy wants you back. As this way you're showing, look, if you don't want to be with me, if you feel like I'm not worthy of you, I'm going to respect and value myself. Therefore, I have better things to do with my time than wasted on stalking you. Ladies, once you will disappear from a guy's life like this, for a week, 2 weeks, or a month or few months, there is no way on earth that he's not gonna be thinking about you or wondering what are you up to. Majority of the time you will stand out from his other exes that have been bad-mouthing him, have been showing up in the places where he hangs out, asking him back. Remember, my queens, men love a challenge, meaning a woman that respects and values herself, has standards, has dignity, and does not settle for less. However, it's really important to show this not with your words, because bringing yourself up like that with your words can make you even look a bit arrogant and egotistic. Instead, show it with your actions and let him see it for himself. Number 3 step to take is don't show yourself as a victim. Don't send him messages, oh, I miss you so much, or what you have been up to. I feel so sad. I can't believe you have done it to me. I can't believe you have broken up with me. Give me another chance. I am so sorry. Or start to call him non-stop, trying to talk about things, trying to fix things, telling him how much you want him back, how much hurt you are, how much you miss him. Ladies, this is really unattractive to guys because we see it as an act of high form of a pursuit. So you are actually behaving masculine, and we also see it as an act of desperation. Men are not interested in women that behave desperate. Full stop. Yes, he might give you charity, he might help you out if you're his friend, if you're acting desperate, or if you're crying over another guy and not him, right? But if you're crying over him, he's simply not going to find it attractive, and if anything, you will lose value in his eyes. He will even lose more interest in you, and instead of thinking of how to get you back, he'll just feel sorry for you. Ladies, guys don't make girls into their girlfriends that we feel sorry for. You know, we make girls into their girlfriends when we feel she's a bit out of his league, or maybe she's better than him. She values and respects herself, or she's a challenge. Not the one that acts low value, desperate, and you feel sorry for. Not the one that behaves like a victim. And the number 4 step to make him regret losing you is improve yourself. Shift your focus in improving yourself and your life. Get some new hobbies, make some new friends, try out some new things that has nothing to do with him, create some new memories, meet new people, watch inspiring stories, and the most important, reflect on the breakup. Reflect on his behavior and reflect on your behavior. Analyze it to the detail and work on the things that made you fail in your relationship, so you can change those things, grow, and not do it again. And ladies, these last few sentences make the biggest difference, because if he comes back and you guys will get back together, things will not work out if you did not reflect back on your failures, if you're not going to change those things in a new relationship with him or someone else. It's crucial to take responsibility for your own mistakes and to change those things within yourself if in the future you don't want to fail at things. So ladies, if you like this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one coaching with me or a member of my team, book us through my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. Thank you for watching. Kisses from Dorset.